to the door. I create in every space, turning work into a grace. Craft it nice, craft it slow, let the good vibration flow from my heart into my hands. This creation understands. Craft it strong, craft it true, every piece got love and glue. Handmade life, handmade soul, crafting keeps my spirit whole. Craft it, cut it, sew it, jam and make it, let it show it. Craft it, sew it, make it show. Handmade love from head to toe. Cut it, sew it, make it shine. Created soul, this life is mine. Far from home but not from dream. Crafting keeps me in between the pain and hope I see. Hands stay busy, heart stay free. Working hard in foreign land, still I build with my own hands. Every order, every sale, proof that I will not fail. I don't need fast, I don't need loud, I don't need to chase the crowd. Slow made love is how I grow, that's the only life I know. When the world feels heavy, yeah, I craft my worries away. In every color, every seam, I remember how to dream. Craft it nice, craft it slow, let the good vibration flow from my heart into my hands. This creation understands. Craft it strong, craft it true, every piece got love and glue. Handmade life, handmade soul, crafting keeps my spirit whole. Yeah, listen now, this is not just hobby, this a lifestyle. From scrap to treasure, pain to pleasure, mama building future with the needle and measure. No stress, no rush, no fear, every handmade piece sincere. When I craft, I meditate, creating the piece I elevate. Craft it nice, craft it slow, let the good vibration grow. Every stitch a prayer sent, crafting is my confidence. Craft it free,